Good morning and welcome to Tuesday, May 12th. Today is our final day of e-learning, and this is our final week of e-learning for all of your classes. Some of your classes may be posting assignments tomorrow, Wednesday, May 13th. That is the last allowable day that teachers may post e-learning assignments for you. However, for catastrophic, today is our last day, Tuesday, May 12th. I just want to thank everybody that's participated in this e-learning. Way back in January, when we first started hearing about this virus that was going around and the fact that it had the potential to become a worldwide pandemic, we knew that there were many, many things that could end up changing the world as we knew it in the way of life. E-learning happened to be one of them. Learning from home here was not something that we had predicted would happen, but the fact that there's so many widespread changes in the world resulting from this pandemic outbreak should have been no surprise to us in a catastrophic science class. So I do want to thank all of you that participated in the e-learning. For those of you that did not participate, it's important to realize that there is still time to pass this fourth 9 weeks. It is quite possible that you could have done not one assignment yet, and there's still time to pass. Once again, tomorrow is the last day that your teachers should be permitted to post assignments. But you will have all the way till Thursday, May 21st, to complete missing work. And you should be receiving full credit for any assignments that you turn in late, just so that you are aware. So you're allowed to turn assignments in all the way till Thursday, May 21st, and you should be receiving full credit for any late work that you turn in. Keep in mind that passing this fourth 9 weeks is defined to be quite different than you've ever heard the word passing before. Because passing means that you participated in e-learning to the best of your ability based on the circumstances that you personally may be facing. So if you've had trouble for whatever reason, be sure to communicate with your teachers, because that will be taken into consideration in determining your grade. Communicate with your teachers. Let them know of any special situation or circumstance that you may be facing. Another thing to realize, that as you're in the process of making up work, if in fact you decide to do that, focus on the assignments that started April 17th on through this week. Anything that was before April 17th will not be able to be held against you. The Kettering City School District wanted to give students an opportunity to get used to this e-learning, so none of those assignments prior to April 17th can be counted against you. You should not be receiving zeros for that work. So be sure you're looking on PowerSchool. Now, those assignments before April 17th can count for you. So if you actually did those assignments, you can receive credit for those. But you should not be receiving zeros for anything before April 17th. So with that in mind, there is a still chance to pass. Do your best. Passing counts as a 100% grade this 9 weeks. So by merely participating in this e-learning, you should automatically be getting a 100% for the 9 weeks grade. When you factor that in with anything that you had the third 9 weeks, you automatically pass. So if you participated in e-learning, mathematically, you automatically pass the second semester. Plus that 100%, as we've mentioned time and time again, can make a huge positive impact on your grade. You could have had the worst D you could possibly get. You could get a 60% the third 9 weeks, participate in e-learning this 9 weeks, and your semester average would come out to a B. The semester average is the grade that goes on your permanent record. That's the grade that's figured into your GPA. So there should be big motivation to finish off or even start this e-learning so that you do enough to get your passing grade. You could have had a B the third 9 weeks, an 80%, the lowest B you can get. And if you participate in the e-learning, it's automatically 100%. That would figure to be a semester average of 90%. So finish this thing off, or if you haven't done it, email your teachers, tell them that you want to do what it takes to pass and pass this e-learning. Thanks again for a fantastic school year. I appreciate all the work that all of you have put into this class. It has been an absolute blast. Our final assignment for Tuesday, May 12th will be surviving a nuclear attack. There's a couple videos posted on what you need to do to survive nuclear attacks. Those videos are embedded in the handout, so just click on the blue video title. You might have to double click it or whatever, and the video should pop up. Watch those videos, complete the handout questions, share it, and submit it with me. Thanks again. I look forward to getting assignments for some of you that may just be getting amped up and heading down that road of e-learning, because it's not too late. Thank you again.